A to Z alphabets with sound for kids. A. It sounds a. Apple. Ant. B. It sounds ba. Balloon. Bat. C. It sounds Cat. Cow. D. It sounds Dog. Dish. E. It sounds elephant. Egg. F. It sounds fish. Fan. G. It sounds guitar. Goat. H. It sounds house. Horse. I. It sounds ink pen. Iguana. J. It sounds juice. Jam. K. It sounds kettle. Kite. L. It sounds log. Lion. M. It sounds muffin. Mango. N. It sounds net. Nail. O. It sounds orange. Octopus. P. It sounds pencil. Penguin. Q. It sounds quill. Quilt. R. It sounds rainbow. Rocket. S. It sounds sun. Snake. T. It sounds table. T-shirt. U. U. It sounds up. Up. A umbrella. V. V. It sounds v. V. Vase. V. Violin. W. W. It sounds wa. Wa. Watermelon. Wa. Watch. X. X. It sounds ksh, ksh. Box. Ksh. Fox. Y. Y. It sounds yeah. Yeah. Yogurt. Yeah. Yellow. Z. Z. It sounds z. Z. Zeppelin. Z. Zebra.